Hi, welcome to the video. Today we'll discuss about the importance of nature in the human life and how the law of attraction can play an important part in the success of human life. We all know that mankind has been created by nature. Nature is the creator. So, if the man is living harmoniously with the nature will allow the man to live peacefully and healthily and harmoniously. But how can he earn money? How can he be wealthy if he is being with the nature? That is the question we are facing today and we are addressing today. So, what is the secret of wealth creation? How people create wealth? How some people can create wealth and the others cannot create wealth? What is the secret behind that? That is what we want to discuss and find some solution for that. So we are addressing the wealth creation process and the role of a law of attraction in creating wealth for some people in the society. Let us take a quote from the famous book The Alchemist by a famous writer Paulo Coelho. In his book, he refers to the power of universe by giving a quote that, and if you are very sure about your what you want to become, the entire universe will conspire for you. Refers to the power of nature in controlling the potential of the mankind and to offer wealth, success, and well-being for the human being. The Alchemist speaks about a boy who is in search of success, who is traveling towards success. He is looking for a person who can create a gold from raw zinc. That is he is searching for the creator of wealth. He wants to know the wealth creation secrets in life. The book talks about the importance of nature in creating wealth for a human being, the success for a human being, and well-being for a human being. Overall, it says that if you are not depending on your fate and working hard, taking chances, taking risks, and works for your future, works for your potential, works for your success, so it is evident that the success will come to you. The nature will help you become successful, more successful than other people of your age. When we aim to achieve our success in our life, the first thing we should have is before you achieve your goals, you should know what is our goals. We should have a concrete goal in our hand. That is very important. When we are talking about goals, we should be concrete. It should be concrete and should be very clear about the goal you are planning to achieve in your life. Before we discuss about the fulfillment of our dreams and our goals, first of all we should know about the background of the process and how the process can work for us, and how we are using our mind and our potential to achieve the goals. In this process, we should understand that the mind plays an important role in the achievement of all your success. Mind plays an important role in the achievement and visualization of your dreams. So mind has always been a myth for scientists and thinkers. Many people doesn't know where the mind is in the where is it situated. So naturally mind is associated with thinking, and we can say that mind is situated in your brain. But many studies and many theories say that mind is associated with the heart. Thinking is associated with heart. Emotions are associated with heart. Emotions, thinking, and everything is related to mind. And so some people say that mind is situated in your heart. But for us to achieve our goals, we should understand the potential of mind, and we should use the mind tactically to achieve our goals in our life. So as we discussed, it is important to know the potential of the mind and the structure of the mind to achieve success by using the mind. So we should understand what is mind and how the mind works. Mind is generally divided into two. One is conscious mind and the second one is subconscious mind. So the conscious mind is compared to a master and the subconscious mind is compared to a demon. The demon will understand and will follow whatever the order given by the master to the demon. So demon can make it possible, make everything possible, which is most of us do not understand the potential of the subconscious mind. We are conscious about the conscious mind. We are not conscious about the subconscious mind. That is the reason we are not able to successfully use our brain, our mind to achieve our success in our life. So now we know about the importance of nature in achieving our goals, the tool, the mind to achieve our goals, and the importance of having a concrete goal in our life to achieve the goal. Now we will discuss about some few small steps we can practice in our day-to-day life to achieve our goals, our potential in our human life. The first step towards the achievement of a goal is to have a concrete goal for ourselves. That is very important. We all know that the goal will differ from person to person. Everyone will be having their own goals, their own way of achieving it and everything. For example, a person working in the construction sector will have a goal to achieve such $1 million or $1 billion dream by starting a construction company, developing a real estate company or something like that, and he know what is the path, how we can achieve the goal and how we can what is the route to achieve my goal. So he want to earn such a big property, such a big house for himself, big car for himself, whatever he want to achieve for himself, about his concept, about his success. He want to earn the money from the job, whatever the business or something he is doing. For example, he is working in a construction company as an engineer. He want to start his own construction company. He want to take contract. He want to get new clients. He want to develop land. He want to develop real estate. This is a process in which he can earn more money to achieve his goal. So he will be very clear about his mission. What is his mission to do and how he can achieve the goal. So it is very important to have a very good clarity on your goal, and if you have the clarity, how much it is clear, it will be easier for you to achieve your goal. It is very easy for you to achieve the goal if you know the brand name you are going to buy, whatever the property you are going to develop, whatever the type of house you are going to build, and whatever the details of success you are going to have in your life. If you have good clarity about your ideas, it is sure that you will be more near to the goal, and it will be more easy for you to achieve the goal, to achieve your dream. So now, as we said, it is important for you to have a goal, and you should have a dream notebook in your house, in your personal custody. So you should write all the details about the goals of your plans, what you want to achieve, how you want to achieve, what you want to achieve tomorrow, what you want to achieve next month, what you want to achieve next year. Like that, be clear about everything, what you want to achieve in your life. You should be very clear about everything and write down everything in a notebook. Please have a clarity of your goal in the notebook. The notebook the scrapbook of dream should clarify what you want to achieve after 1 year, after 5 years, after 15 years, after 20 years, whatever, up to the retirement period. You want to retire by 60 years or 65 years or 70 years. You should know what you have to achieve till 60 years and how much you have to earn, how much you have to spend, how much you want to save, and what are the properties you want to develop, how much investment you want to have, what is the level of your achievement, what is your scaling up in your life, all the details you should have clarity in the scrapbook you are mentioning about your dream. It is sure that if you are very sure about your dreams, and if you have the clarity about your dream, it is easy for you to achieve your goals. It is just like making a project report before you go for a business planning. If you are having a project report in your hand before you are going for a business planning, you have your predictions, all your figures will be available in the project report, and you will be sure what you want to achieve in 1 month, in 1 year, what 5 years, what is the break even point, what you want to how much you can spend on this, how much you want to earn, what is the margin you are expecting. All the things will be clear in the project report. Like that, you make a project report for your life, a goal project report for your life, and the project report should contain all the details about your plans, about your dreams. Step 2, it is the habit of all the successful people to get up, they wake up early in the morning. Make a habit of waking up early in the morning by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, whatever, as you like. You should have an alarm, and you should wake up early in the morning. And if you wake up early in the morning by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, you are going to get about 2-3 hours of your day, which you get peaceful, calm thinking time, and your brain also will be active when you get up, and you can have a very good day if your early morning is going well with meditation or whatever your practice you are doing. So when you get up early in the morning, you take your scrapbook of dreams and started reading it, correcting it, and chanting your dreams. You write down your dreams in short paragraphs and chant your dreams in your mind, what you want to achieve. You repeat it again and again, just like by hearting it. How it works, I'll tell you. When you are by hearting it every day, correcting it according to the plans, according to the change in plans, whatever the happenings, as per that you can change the plans and correcting it, and by hearting it day by day, you are going to near to your dream for sure, no doubt. Because I will tell you the secret of the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is a demon. It doesn't have any logic. The subconscious mind do not think logically. It will act as per your order. When you are by hearting something, you are going to feed something into your subconscious mind, and every day you are going to experience the changes, the opportunities, whatever according to your plan. When you are chanting it again and again, you are going to achieve it. You are going to achieve small targets for the month, targets for the year, whatever as per the plan. You are going to see the results in 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months very soon. So when you are planning to have a construction company, as I mentioned earlier, I want to start a construction company, I have a plan to do that, I have a project report to convince the investor or whatever. So every day you are going to be near that achievement, and you want to plan that achievement. So I am sure that you are going to achieve it by day. Every day you are going to be near to your achievement. So again I'll repeat, the first step is to write down all the plans, all the dreams, all the goals clearly in a book, in a scrapbook. And the second step is to repeat it and meditate or concentrate and repeat the goal in your mind every day on a daily basis. Get up early in the morning, start fresh, start early in the morning, and chant it again and again, and by heart it. So every time, 24 hours, even in your sleep, if someone is asking you what is your goal, what is your target, what is your mission, what is your vision, then immediately you can repeat what you are chanting every day, what you are repeating every day, what you are practicing every day. If you are doing these two things in your life, I am sure that every day you will be starting to realize in your life that everything, every dream, whatever you see in your dreams, it is coming near you, and every day you are achieving something great, something which you wish to have in your life. Let's say the changes will happen within a month or two. Immediately after you start practicing, you will become systematic. You are getting early up in the day, you have a lot of time to think about the creativity, about your employees, about your workers, whatever the materials needed, whatever the plants needed, whatever the cost effective approach, and what is the cost engineering, cost control, whatever, all the details will come to you in the early morning, and along with your prayers, along with your meditation, whatever as per your belief, you can also chant your dreams and achieve your dreams one by one, day by day. Then slowly you will realize that every day your goal is near you, and you are one step, a small step ahead, near your goal, reaching your goal, achieving your goal. So it is a great thing to do. It is a small practice. It's a very simple practice, nothing doing, no big hassles or hazards. Everyone can do it. Start writing up your goals and start chanting your goals, especially early morning, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning. Get up early in the morning, start chanting your goals. Once you start chanting your goals, I am sure that you start feeling you are going nearby your goals, your plannings are clear, and you realize that whatever the potholes in your business, potholes in your life, you are realizing that, and you are trying to avoid that. You are cost controlling. Cost control has become a very important factor in all businesses, all economic affairs. So you are cost controlling, and you are finding the potholes, and you are nearing the dreams. I hope all of you will start practicing this, and you will go near to your dreams, and I wish all of you a successful life.